Alright, today is the day, April 25th. It's about 9:30 in the morning. It's been a little windy, but it's sunny. We're going to give these fishingcompleteinc.com plastics a try. I'm going to try to catch a fish on every one of them if we can at a pond, so see what happens. If you're interested in some case plastics or fishingcompleteinc.com plastics, I do have a 20% off discount code in the description. Let's see, let's go with the frog first. We're going to try this frog. First thing off, we're going to try the 4-inch green pumpkin buzzing frog from Case Plastics, fishingcompleteinc.com. I'm going to try to use this same hook and got a little bullet weight on top. Try to use that for every single one of these. Here we go. Alright, first fish on the frog. Got the tail all the way to the end there. I'll call that, that's close to 11 inches. Gobbled that frog up. Alright, we started off with the 4-inch frog, so we got a 4.5-inch pumpkin magic stick and a 4.5-inch green pumpkin magic stick. So let's try this one next, and then we'll go for this one next. Just rigged it up like a worm. I'm sure you can do it several different ways. I'm gonna try it like this. And fish number 2 on the pumpkin seed magic stick. It might be a little bigger there. Let's see. About the same size, maybe a little smaller. About 10 and a quarter. Next up, green pumpkin gold, 4.5 inch. Got the green pumpkin gold 4.5 inch rigged up the same way. Green pumpkin gold looks awesome in the water with the sun shining. The fish there hammered it. Let's see how big it is. I think it's a little bigger. Yeah, it's right at 12 inches. Alright, 3 for 3 so far. We got 2 5-inch. Got the 5-inch red shad zipper and the 5-inch sinking salted shad black neon. Let's try that. It's kind of got a little fishy tail to it. Got it rigged up the same way, same hook, sinker. It does have a little slit in it, kind of like the frog did for the hook to set down in. Let's give it a shot. Well, I'm gonna guess I had a bad spot in my line because I just had one break me off on this black neon 5-inch. So we're gonna retie. Use a little bit bigger bullet weight since we're about to start using some bigger lures, bigger plastics. So get that tied back on. Caught one on the black neon, and it's another little over 11. I lost the one that broke me off, and I lost another one that I'm gonna say was a good 2-pounder. So we're gonna move on. Next in line, size wise, we got the Red Bug 5-inch zipper 5-inch original. Give that a shot. Just gonna fish it the same way. I had one break me off with the Red Bug, so got another one tied on. We'll try it again. So we got one that's a little bit longer on that, so about 12.5, mouth closed, on the Red Bug zipper 5-inch. So let's see, next up we got the sour grape 7-inch. What that looks like. It's got like a lime green with some darker green sparkle flake glitter in there, and a little bit of black, maybe some purple. Good looking lure. Let's see if we can't make it 6 for 6. Got the 7-inch got the zipper 7-inch sour grape, and there's the tail, and there's the mouth, right a little over 14. So bigger baits, and we're catching bigger fish. Let's see what's next. I guess I just went from the 5-inch zipper to the 7-inch zipper and skipped this 5.5-inch case salted big stick, kin stick, green pumpkin purple. So we're going to give that a shot. Got it rigged up the same way. 5.5-inch kin stick, green pumpkin purple. There it is. Blood just come out of its mouth. I did throw one back that was small, really small. It's the first small bass I've caught. But see that one? Pretty much right at 13. So 6 for 6, is that right? That makes 7 for 7. So we got 2 more left. We got the 7.5-inch case pintail worm baby bass, 7.5-inch, and then we've got an 11-inch big mama. So let's go with the 7.5-inch. I'll rig it up the same way. Got it rigged up the same way. 7.5-inch baby bass. Let's see if we can make it 8 for 8. I walked all the way around the pond with the 7.5-inch baby bass. It looks really good in the water. A lot of flash. I can't believe I didn't catch anything. I did have a few hits, but no fish. So we're going to move on to the Big Mama Black and Blue Flake 11-inch from Case Plastics. It's a little different looking. It's got a bunch of notches in it. I'm guessing you could cut that off, make it shorter if you wanted to, but we're going to try it like that, 11-inch. Nothing on the 2 big spates. I didn't have any bites at all on the Black and Blue Flake Big Mama 11-inch. Had a few bites on the 7.5-inch baby bass, but all right, we got our 7 ready to clean. We don't really eat bass a whole lot, but some April cool water bass sounds pretty good, so we get to cleaning. 7 out of 9 on the lures. Got our fillets, got our cornmeal, salt and pepper, and they are frying. Thank Jeri Toner from fishingcompleteinc.com and Case Plastics for sending me the lures and providing us with another meal. If you guys want to check out fishingcompleteinc.com, the link will be in the description below, along with a 20% off promo code. Be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know which one of the plastics you like the best. And hit that thumbs up. Until next time, have a great day.